guys, we're back with another episode of Tasting Tampa Bay. My name's Emily, and here today is our special guest, Taylor.
Hey guys, I am the resident pescatarian of the group, and I am so excited. We're here at Good Intentions, and I've heard so much amazing, great things about their vegan food, and I'm so excited to try.
I can't wait. Let's go see what they're all about.
Let's go.
How did you get started in this industry?
So that's a good question. I started, what really led me to it was I went vegan about 6 years ago.
Okay, wow.
I always grew up liking food and everything, but before going vegan, I was never really into maybe being a chef or anything like that. But once I was, I thought it would be cool and unique to, try to make new dishes.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah. So
Awesome.
really going vegan made it start, and then once I already had some background in it, I just put it all together, wound up here, and it's a pretty good spot for me. So.
Would you say there are any misconceptions about vegan foods?
Yeah, I think a few things. I think a lot of people feel like vegan food is its own thing, where a lot of people don't realize half of your burger or most of your salad is already vegan. It's just maybe a dressing or a cheese on top.
That's fair.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think a lot of times people have a misconception of all vegan food is Beyond Meat. But also, it's just it can be French fries and stuff like that.
Yeah,
Pizza.
that makes sense.
Yeah.
I feel like those things are forgotten about.
Right.
All the nice, yummy carbs.
Yeah. So this dish is a kimchi fried rice. It's actually the first dish we made for the menu here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it was something we knew we wanted to offer, a fire fried rice. So it starts with just crispy fried rice, big aspect of it, and then it gets all your ingredients, and then we'll be bringing it over to garnish and make it look all pretty.
I like that.
Yeah.
Cool.
Perfect. Presentation is key.
It is. Yeah.
All right, so we just finished up with David and the kimchi fried rice. What are we making over here?
We're going to do our charcuterie board. We're going to throw that together.
Okay.
I'm going to start off with the two things that I already have on the plate, which is our mahamara. It's like a red pepper, walnut-y hummus cousin. We've got some little guava paste, little cubes there to add with your little breads and crackers. These are some of our pickled grapes.
Ooh, pickled grapes. I don't think I've ever had a pickled grape. Are you a pickled grape?
And it's going to be completely different than what you're thinking already, too.
Really?
Do you guys make those in-house?
We do.
Cool.
Along with our pickled vegetables, so we also throw some of those on the plate. We've got carrots, green beans, jalapenos, and cauliflower.
So is pickling things your specialty?
Not quite. We just know the value of a good pickled
Yeah, totally.
vegetable slash
Unique, for
yeah,
sure.
Yeah.
All right, so what's going next?
So we've got some toasted sourdough from Gulf Coast Sourdough, a local bread
Oh, I love that
guy.
bread.
Yeah.
Oh, that's in St. Pete.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Yeah, we get a lot of our breads from them. We get the sliced sourdough as well. And then going on to our cheeses, we have this cave-aged Maverick cheese. And then this is our house-made salami seitan.
Oh, wow.
And of course, vegan.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
This is my favorite part about vegan places. It's it looks like meat,
Yeah.
but I can eat it. How exciting!
And it's really good too. So we've got our last two items right here. We've got some tahine apricot little pieces.
I can't wait.
They're really, really yummy.
I'm literally so excited.
Alright, so here is the kimchi fried rice.
Yay.
And our braising board.
Yes.
Amazing.
Okay. I have to ask, is there any alcohol that would pair well with this?
Oh, absolutely. Our bartender, Max, has a really good natural wine selection in mind for you already.
Okay,
Yes.
perfect.
Perfect. I can't
Excited.
wait.
Ooh,
Got
Oh my
the
gosh.
Saturn
yeah.
That looks delicious.
and a glass of the wavy pet nat, natural white
Perfect.
sparkling.
And you make that in-house?
We don't make it, but we showcase a lot of naturally fermented wines here that you can get by the bottle, and even most of our wine list by the glass is naturally made wines as well. So,
Perfect.
Gotcha. Thank you so
Awesome.
much.
you're welcome.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.
All right, I think we should try the kimchi fried rice to go with that drink.
Totally. Let's do it. I'm definitely going for the crab ball first. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's like having your own like crab cake on top,
Yeah. Who even knew that crab balls would go with fried rice?
right?
I mean, okay, let's try one.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh
so
my God.
vegan egg. We got the garlic aioli on top.
I don't think I've ever had kimchi either.
Oh my gosh, there's so many flavors. I can't even gather all the flavors.
No.
It's like a little. It's got like a little kick to it. It's like a little spicy, but it's got like sweetness,
I get the spice. I think the
umami
kimchi.
flavors.
Yes.
Totally coming through.
I think the kimchi adds a little acidity to it too. Really good
My
overall.
palate is overwhelmed. In a good way.
I have no
In the
words.
best. So being pescatarian, I've never actually had just egg before. I can't even believe how amazing this tastes.
Right?
I'm eating egg, but it's vegan.
Yeah, I would never be able to tell that's not real egg.
I'm just gonna tell everyone that this is not vegan.
I feel like you can pass it off and they'll be like, "What's in there?" And I'm just gonna be like, "It's just egg."
Ooh, I like what you did
They
there.
won't
even know.
question it.
They won't even know. So this is amazing, but I'm really excited to try the sourdough bread with the muhumara hummus and the black garlic truffle cheese. I'm gonna go for this. Stay tuned. It's so soft
Yeah.
and delicious. There's so many flavors. I think the truffle, I'm obsessed with truffle. I don't know about you, but I think they absolutely,
Sorry.
I think they nailed this cheese. It's literally straight truffle. It's so delicate, cuts like butter, so smooth, and it's gonna go in my mouth a lot smoother.
I mean, the texture sounds there for me. Just truffle's not my thing, but I bet it's delicious. So, as a pescatarian, I know you don't eat meat, so I'm curious to see if you like that seitan salami at all.
Yeah, I've been waiting to try this.
Yeah, I kind of want to try it too.
Okay, here we go. Let's
Thank
try
you.
it together.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, there's actually so much flavor in that.
Yeah.
This is what I love about vegan food, in this place specifically. They put so much flavor in everything, you can't even tell.
I agree. I've never had like vegan meat before, and I feel like if I tried that, I wouldn't like realize that's not meat.
So what was your favorite part about the whole tasting of Good Intentions?
I really liked that Maverick cheese, the one that tasted like goat, especially paired with the sourdough. The sourdough was, and then I also loved the crab balls on top of our kimchi fried rice.
So you stole my idea.
I'm so sorry.
No, I really did like how there was like a ton of flavor in that. I feel like I said, umami flavor is just everything you could ever imagine all in one bite. They knocked it out of the park. And I have to say, probably my favorite was the truffle cheese. I seriously can't believe that's vegan cheese.
Yeah.
I would probably choose that over regular cheese.
Ooh, okay.
Any day. I'm not technically vegan, but I'd probably choose this.
Okay.
But let's go back to the drinks
True.
because also delish. Let me just take your straw out so I can enjoy this one.
Okay. Cheers. So Taylor, as our resident pescatarian, what did you think about Good Intentions?
I really love this place. I think it's so cool that everything we tried didn't even taste vegan. I wouldn't have even known. And that's almost what I really love about all these places in Tampa and St. Pete. You can go a lot of different places and find vegan options, vegetarian options.
That's amazing.
I found so many things on the menu that I really wanted to come back and try. Also including their bottomless samosas. I can't wait to try that.
I'll be back for that. All right, Taylor, it was great having you on this episode of Tasting Tampa Bay. It was fun to get a pescatarian's perspective. I'm looking forward to hopefully having you back on another episode. If you guys liked this, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, comment below where you want to see next. Follow us at Stuff to Do in Tampa Bay and at YouNation app. Till next time.
Bye.